Can you square 47 without a calculator? Watch this. I'll do it faster than your phone can open the calculator app. Since 47 is close to 50, I'll think of it as 50 minus 3. That makes the math way easier. Now let's square both sides using a simple expansion rule. When you square something like a minus b, you get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So in this case, it becomes 50 squared minus 2 times 50 times 3 plus 3 squared. Now that's easy mental math. 50 squared is 2,500 minus 300 is 2,200. Add 9 gives us 2,209. And that's the answer. 47 squared equals 2,209. Your turn. Try the same trick with 53. This time it's 50 plus 3, so it becomes 50 squared plus 2 times 50 times 3 plus 3 squared. What do you get? If you got 2,809, you nailed it. So now you can square numbers near 50 in seconds. No calculator needed. Try it with 46, 54, even 49. It works every time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.